flower bed before we clean it out. There's a pathway in here. You would never know it. You can't see it. This is a beautyberry shrub. Totally dormant. A little spirea. Little dwarf. Got some creeping catmint. And of course we have a lot of daffodils. Making progress. My mother's helping. She likes to garden. And I have seasonal allergy dizziness. So it's hard to go up and down and up and down, up and down. It's looking a lot better though. Mom prefers a mattock for digging. If you don't know what that is, go Google it. I don't know how she swings it. She's 85, but she's never used a shovel. I almost cleared this area off. I have a little bit more to do. And then this flower bed looks a whole lot better. And here's all the debris. It doesn't look so big, but it's a lot. This flower bed looks really nice. And we actually have a pretty pathway now. It was always there. You just couldn't see it.